The tourism sector is the main source of foreign currency for Egypt, and the country's most iconic tourist attraction are the ancient pyramids of Giza. In a bid to revive tourism amid the pandemic, the country is renovating the pyramid plateau and making it more tourist-friendly. Here's a report. You would soon be able to enjoy a delicious meal and enjoy live music within touching distance of the world's most iconic monument. Egypt has opened its first ever restaurant and lounge in Giza's Pyramid Plateau. It gives visitors a unique view of this ancient wonder of the world.
We were supposed to open the project of developing Giza Plateau by the end of this year, but because of COVID-19, which affects tourism and the export of materials, we postponed the full opening by 6 months. So, by the end of 2021, this mega project by the government will cost 550 million Egyptian pounds, in addition to the bus service and other services.
The restaurant is aptly named the Nine Pyramids Lounge. It is built on a total area of 1,341 square meters with indoor and outdoor seating. The attendees also witnessed the trial operation of an environmentally friendly electric bus service in the area.
There are more than 30 electric buses and VIP electric cars. They are all environment friendly. We don't want any major change or pollution. By using electric buses, which can park 10 meters away from the pyramids, we're saving our antiques.
These electric buses will transport people right up to the Sphinx station. They will become the only means of transportation at the site. All other vehicles will be banned from entering the pyramid premises.
Because you all are aware of the nasty stories with the camel people, the donkeys and the horses, and then all this haggling by the salespeople trying to haggle the tourists to make them buy things by force or go on the camel and not come down before they pay. I mean, we're all aware of these stories now.
Egypt is keen on developing its touristic and archaeological infrastructure. It hopes to ease tourist experience and hopes the move would positively impact the tourist influx into the country.
We will try as much as possible to avoid any financial interaction between the horses or the camels and the tourist. The tourist will have his electronic ticket. He's already paid. The money will be paid to these camels and people by the company. So there is no interaction between them and the tourists.
2 fine dining restaurants and a cafe are all set to be opened near the pyramids in early 2021. The gradual opening of the area comes as Egypt attempts to revive its key tourism sector, which has been hit hard by the coronavirus pandemic. Bureau Report, WION, World is One.
Co-presented by Skoda. Simply clever.